Hello viewers, in this video we will make a moving text field like headlines. If you are making a website for a news group or for an individual who wants something like this for his website, so today we're going to make it using setInterval in JavaScript. So let's get started. First we will make our HTML content. We start with making a div. In div we will open pre-tag and give it an ID headline. Then we will insert our text in the pre-tag what you want or the way you want it to be displayed. There is a reason we are using pre-tag, because in pre-tag you can insert your text the way you want it to be displayed. So our HTML work is done. Then we move to styling our HTML content. We open style tag and close it. We only have to style our div. So first we will give it borders 1 pixel solid, so it look like this. Second, we will hide this overflow text, so we will write overflow hidden. Now it's all up to you the way you want it to style. I am giving it background color red, text color white, and font size 20 pixels, and font weight bold, because I want it to be bold. So our CSS work is done. Now we will move to our JavaScript. We will open script tag in our head tag, and then we will close it. In it we will make two functions. First function will be onload function. In this function we will write setInterval, name of our second function, and which will be headline, and our delay time. I want it 10 milliseconds because I want it to be fast. Then we will call it in our body tag. I want it to be load when the page loaded. Then we will make a variable count is equal to 0. Then come to our second function, which will be headline function. First we will do increment in count, so that whenever the function will be called, it will do increment in count. Then we will write document.getElementById, which is headline dot style dot margin left is equal to count plus pixel. Don't forget to write pixel. Okay, so it looks something like this. Then you see the whole line goes in right corner, then it reappear from the starting sentence after 10 milliseconds, but I want it to reappear with the last sentence, so I will give it a condition. If count is equal to 1000, then count should be equal to minus 1800. So here minus sign will make it reappear from the last word. So the last thing, we will copy this and paste it here. So it looks something like this. It goes to the right corner and it come out from the left corner with the last sentence. The last thing I want to tell you is whatever text or the size of text you put in your pre-tag, it should be adjusted here. Like I have written minus 1800, so 1800 is the length of the sentence which is in my pre-tag, so you have to adjust it to the length of your sentence. So it is done. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more videos, and I will see you in next video. Till then, take care, have fun, goodbye.